Gonna brush her hair. Oh, careful, Camille. Brush your hair too, Camille. Ooh, it's beautiful. We got two princesses. Okay, Charlotte's hair looks nice. Brush the panda's hair. Can you brush Pandy's hair?
Yes.
Oh. There you go.
Great. And brush the mouse's hair.
I think that's Tigger from My Friends Tigger and Pooh.